Hi guys, I know I've been a bit slow with videos, but I'm just not really feeling it at the minute. I know I've said that a few times, but I am considering stopping. I've had 2 deaths in my collection during molt, 2 juvies, my GBB and my P Metallica. So I replaced my GBB, which is in this box. Put them in Metallica dye, but I can't afford another one now. I'll wait till next year, I suppose. So this is, you can see it there, P Mutilans. My second centipede. This is from Spider Shop, by the way. I'm just going to pop that up there for a minute because I need to got cocoa fibre. This is my GBB, and I think I just got a couple of millipede, 3 millipedes to bundle me millipedes because my son ordered some out of his own money and then they died. Not these ones, they were the train. It was a train type. So it's just a little surprise for him. I thought I ordered some decayed wood, but maybe I didn't. I'll check in a bit. Nothing else in there. The pack's still posted. Don't think it's in there. No. I'll check in a bit. I thought I'd ordered 1 cocoa fibre and 1 decayed wood, but no, I kept going back and changing, so I'm not too sure. I'm having to do this with one hand. Should be 3 of these in there. 2 colours, 1 in there. Very pretty. Wait for him to come into school and tell him I've got him a little replacement. Right, this is my GBB. Not done any setting up or anything yet. I can see somebody there. See him down there. I don't think I'll be able to show you because I'm not going to bother filming the videos. I think the tissue is right next to the spider. Where's my doodads? Yeah. I'm sorry my fingers keep going in the way. I'll show you in a second. Let's get this piece of tissue out of the way. Days is just moving round. Try and steady it with 2 of my fingers. Well, that's all we can see. Fangs at the head. Well, wait a minute. I'm just going to put the camera down for a second. Don't forget that. Silly me. Nearly had an H Gigas on the loose because I forgot I used it. Don't move. I just wanted to put him in something so I can show you. But everything I've got's not got a lid. Oh, yeah. Right, I'm just going to put him into here just so you can see it. Are we in the mood? I think we might be. Right, sorry, camera down for a second. That's tissues well and truly. Maybe I should have undone the tissue by putting the camera down. I really should have put more effort into it and set my camera up, I suppose. Here he comes. In a fashion. Wait a minute, camera down. I'm not doing a very good job here. Oh. I thought that was its fangs end, but it wasn't, it was its bottom. Show you now. It looked like fangs. Coming out so I can see a bit better. I'd say this is laggier than my last one. I think it might have recently molted because its beauty is quite small. Well, it was compared to my last one. The last one had a bigger bum, but its legs weren't as long. So yeah, I'm going to get him set up shortly. So I don't think you need to see me transferring him from one tub to another. So that's it for today, guys. So I don't know when my next video will be. It might just be like once every blue moon that I upload. I don't know. I really don't know what I'm doing as regards to YouTube. I want to keep on going, but I feel like once you've seen one set of feeding videos, which I've not done for a long time, it gets a bit boring, and I can't do unboxings all the time. I don't know if there's any ideas you've got, or whether you want to see me doing feeding videos. Just drop me a comment in the box or give me some inspiration. Anyway, thanks for your time, guys. Bye.